Dumpster rentals in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Chattanooga, Tennessee? Worx has you covered. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit any project, making waste management easy, affordable, and efficient. Serving homeowners, contractors, and businesses alike, we provide dependable service with a focus on customer satisfaction. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out your yard, managing a construction site, or organizing a community cleanup, our dumpsters make waste disposal simple. Our containers can handle everything from construction debris and yard waste to household items and other bulk materials, ensuring a clean and convenient solution. Not sure which dumpster size will work best for your project? Our knowledgeable team is here to help. We'll guide you through selecting the right option based on your specific needs, ensuring you get the best value. With easy scheduling, Worx arranges prompt delivery and pickup at a time that works for you, so you can focus on the task at hand. Our commitment to environmental responsibility means we prioritize recycling and proper disposal to reduce landfill impact. For a dependable and eco-friendly waste solution in Chattanooga, Tennessee, Worx is your go-to partner. Give us a call at 423-551-0677 to reserve your dumpster today and experience service that puts you first.